Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday we said that in general current displacement on the on the daily chart suggests that not good point for taking the new short position, despite that we're dealing with the long-term weekly bearish pattern, which is a bread and butter sell, but weekly patterns very rare goes just in one step. So on a lower time frames usually takes few swings to complete the target, and on the daily chart it seems that we've got the first one to the downside from the major 618 resistance area, but now market stuck with the oversold on the daily chart and fib level. As I said, this combination generates and gives us the Jordan-Napoli bullish stretch pattern. Stretch usually not a reversal pattern, it triggers the retracement just based on some tensions that exist in this area. Market needs to get some relief, and it usually shows some minor bounce up from here. So anyway, when you're standing at the oversold on the daily chart and right at the fib level, fib support, it's not good point for taking the long position. From the technical reasons and using common sense, we suggest that we need to wait with taking the new short. Correspondingly, if we'll take a look at the other markets, for example, on the Great British Pound, I do not see so enthusiasm with the downward action. So, for example, on the lower time frame, yes, we probably could treat it a kind of the, I don't know, double top or something on the hourly chart. But take a look how slow this action. It mostly reminds a kind of the ABCD pattern rather than some sharp reversal. And usually the double tops, when they're forming, it actually shows fast acceleration down. Here we do not see it. On the dollar index itself, if we'll take it, here we also have not really very fast action. And since on the euro currency stands a bit ahead of the dollar index, so euro currency already stands right there. On the dollar index, let's take a look. It's still possible head and shoulders pattern right there. You could see it on the lower time frame, and this might be shoulder, head, and market could start from right arm as well. And with this right arm, most probably we should get the same situation on euro currency. So we particularly could get the bounce that coincides with the forming of the right arm on the dollar index. So based on these ideas, actually on the 10-year yield as well. So take a look. We have here's the ABCD pattern. Market stands mostly at the OP, which is a 415 area. So it hits the ABCD target as well. So from that standpoint, we also could get some bounce. So other words speaking, the overall environment that we have on the markets, not only in the euro currency but on others, do not contradict the idea of the possible retracement. And from that standpoint, as I said, currently it's just more reasonable and less risky is to wait for a bounce if you'd like to go short. On the fall time frame chart of the euro currency, here we were considering two targets. First was here 127. Market has tried to show some retracement here, but failed and market dropped. In these circumstances, right now, 107.50 seems a bit too extended. Maybe it could be reached on volatility on some data release or something, but in the current situation I would more rely on the target on the hourly chart, because yesterday we were considering this ABCD. We said OP, that was in the weekend, we were expecting hand shoulders, has not been formed, market dropped, and yesterday market was standing right here, and we said take a look that maybe the pullback might start when the market still completes the XOP, and its completion might be by the butterfly. And that setup has been completed. So now we have the butterfly in place, we have the XOP, here's some minor divergence, and all the stuff coincides with the daily bullish stretch pattern. So if you're a scalp trader, you could try to search here some chances to take the scalp long position, some pullback. What particular pattern to use depends on your time frame. So it might be used butterfly. You could wait for hand and shoulders to be formed here, or you could, if you trade on a 5-minute chart, maybe you will find something in this area, some patterns. But for us, it's more important is the pullback. So since we suggest that this might be the background for a pullback retracement, if it starts, I think that we could consider 1 or 870 area. It's right there. So the 30% level might be retested. It's just because this is fib level, and take a look, this is previous lows. So the market could just retest this area before next step down will happen. So that's our current view on the euro currency. That being said, for those who would like to go short, we suggest to wait for the bounce, just because market stands in an uncomfortable place for taking the new shorts. Scalp traders theoretically could try to use some patterns that you see on the hourly chart, and I have shown you, to make the scalp a long trade, so on long side, correspondingly probably with the same target. So right there, that's what we see currently, and let's see what data will be released and how it will impact on the markets.